Hey everybody, it's Miss O'Leary, and today is November 3rd, 2020. So I'm going to practice writing the date as we are going to do every day. So in November, if I type the word November, it's kind of long. So I'm going to teach you a trick. When you're writing the word November, you can type NOV period, and that's okay. That's called an abbreviation. So no, today is November 3rd, and then you write a comma, 2020. Another way to write the date is 11/3/2020. Okay? So that is today's date, and I'm going to leave that right there. So yesterday we learned about our analog clock and our digital clock, and we started on our calendar grid observations. So cool. So today we are going to flip today and tomorrow's numbers just because we're not going to have new assignments on Wednesdays this week. So we're going to do it today. So I'm going to flip the third. Whoa, I noticed this is a new watch. That's pretty cool. This is called an analog wristwatch. Analog because it has the face, right? And the numbers, but then it goes around my wrist. An analog wristwatch. I'm going to flip the 4 too to see what we have. This is a digital wristwatch. Ooh, that's pretty cool. So some of you might have like an Apple Watch, or maybe somebody you know has one, and they might have an analog wristwatch too. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our calendar grid observations for November 3rd and 4th. Okay? So today is 11/3, and we're going to take a look at our different clocks. All right, so here we are. Here is our November 3rd clock. This is called an analog wristwatch. Oop, I spelled analog wrong. Let me fix that. An analog wristwatch. That's kind of a long word. That's okay though. Now we're going to look at the time. So you might have to tilt your head, but I'm going to show you something, how we can tell the time of this watch. I'm going to color, oh my gosh, give me 1 second. All right, everybody. So here is our wristwatch. So when I look at this the analog wristwatch for today, I notice when I'm going to try to draw on it, give me 1 second, that the hour hand, the shorter hand, is pointing to the 1. So I know that the hour is going to be 1. I'm going to put my little 2 dots, and then I'm going to look at the minutes. What does it mean when the minute hand is pointing to the 12? How many minutes does that mean in the hour? What do you think? That actually means there are 0 minutes past in the hour. So it is 1 o'clock. Ah, interesting. So then we look how much time has passed from 12:30 to 1. So if let's count. So if I'm at 12:30, then I'm going to go to 12:35, 12:36. I go all the way up. I can count by ones. I might count by fives. It's actually going to be 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed. Another way to write 30 minutes is a 1/2 of an hour. A half an hour. And half an hour has passed. All right, so now we're going to get to 11/4. This is called a digital wristwatch. And I'm going to look over here and I'm going to look for the time. Okay, I'm going to see if this one works. So here is the time. What is the hour? The hour is 1. The minutes are 30. So once again, how much time has passed? It's the same as the one above it. 30 minutes have passed, or 1/2 an hour. 30 minutes, or you can say a half an hour. And that's our calendar grid for today.